Everybody, this is Jake Jones with MarineMax, Texas MasterCraft. Today we're standing outside of a 2023 MasterCraft XT24 in a color scheme that I think is awesome. You've got the seafoam green underneath on the hull with the ChroMax inserts to match up with it. So I think this boat's really gonna pop on the water. So back here in the transom, we have the seafoam fiberglass platform with the matching sea deck for the interior, as well as the super convenient stereo transom remote. So you're not having to get out of the boat and change your song, turn up the volume. And then as well as the optional pop-up seat backs, so you can recline back here, hang out. It also has an adjustable seat base there, make it a little more comfortable for you. So in here in the cockpit, a couple things we want to highlight is that we do have the sandstone with the desert accents for the cool feel interior. It matches up nicely with the sea deck. Then we do have the pop-up seat backs here as well on both port and starboard side. Gives you additional seating to face backwards alongside with the reversible seat. One of the other great features inside the cockpit here is the monogram selection we did. We have that same seafoam green accents on the monograms to match the ChroMax inserts along with the bottom of the boat. So I think it really just pieces the boat together and makes kind of that little pop color on the interior. So up here at the helm, we do have the dual screen set up here. So you have your top screen that's going to do RPM, speed, and then you have a little bit of customization in the middle of it. So you can either do the awareness cam off the tower, you can do GPS, or you can do your music selection. Then over here on the right side, you do have your two top and bottom halves of the screen. Your top is going to be your drive, your surf, your wake. So all your settings with ballast and tabs. Underneath is going to be more vitals, whether that's GPS, music, or your lights and volume. So up here in the bow of the boat, this is a pickle fork bow boat. So you get a little extra beam up here. It's a little extra comfortable out here so you can fit a full adult on either side and storage underneath all the compartments as well. And one of the great improvements for 2023 models is the bimini. It's going to look very similar to what it did on previous models, but they added 2 more additional slots on the top of it to fit even more surfboards out there so everybody can bring theirs and be happy riding the wave. Thank you for checking out this XT24 with me today. If this is maybe not your color, maybe not your shape or size, we have access to a nationwide inventory so we can find the right boat for you. If you guys have any questions about this, again, my name is Jake. Give me a call at 682-282-9969. Thank you.